Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, just another review guy. Today we're going to be trying this Clean Slate by Chemical Guys. It's a strip wax prep surface cleaning agent. So it's a surface cleanser and wash. It helps break up all the old wax and sealant that's on your car. So when you apply the new stuff, you don't have any kind of contamination or get scratches in your vehicle. So we're going to try and apply this product on the Ford Explorer. Last week we applied the ceramic car wash to it, so it has a little bit of protection on the paint right now. So it'll be a good time to test it. We're going to do both methods. The one that Chemical Guys suggests is to use a 5-gallon bucket, 1 ounce of cleanser, and then using a mitt to wash off your car, which makes a lot of sense since it's a cleansing agent. It probably wipes off all the wax. The second method we're going to use in the video is foam cannon. So we'll spray it on with a foam cannon. We'll let it sit on the paint for a couple minutes to help break up the wax. We'll pressure wash it off and we'll see if we get the same effect. So we're going to give it both tries. As always guys, I'm glad you tuned in. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit that bell button, and also all the links to the product is in the description below as well. Those are Amazon links, so I make a couple pennies if you buy something. Supports the channel, helps me buy more stuff to test. So guys, let's go ahead and get our 5-gallon bucket filled. All right guys, really quick, just wanted to show you that there is a little bit of surface protection on the vehicle. All right guys, we got our 5-gallon bucket here filled up to about 4 gallons of water. We have our Clean Slate. Let's see how this stuff smells. Has a lemonade smell to it, and it doesn't have a lot of doesn't feel very soapy. So let's go and put it in. So it's about 1 ounce for a 5-gallon bucket. All right guys, we have our Clean Slate. It's about 1 ounce for a 5-gallon bucket. Just do 2 good squirts. Stuff don't cost that much and you're not going to use it all the time. So let's go and grab the hose and activate it. All right guys, now let's go to the car and wash off the hood. All right guys, so it's recommended when using this product, you just make nice forward motion cleaning like this. You don't want to go crazy and do a bunch of swirls because you could scratch your paint. This doesn't have the lubricant like Mr. Pink and other suds do, but you can see it's removing the ceramic wash that we applied to the vehicle the other day. Now I'm not going to be too gentle on a 20-year-old Exploder, but these are I just wanted to show the methods that Chemical Guys suggested, and that's using the mitt to use with this product to help get all the waxes and sealants off. Go ahead and water it down. Well, you don't see much of a difference, guys, with the sealant remover, really, because I just put the ceramic wash on a week ago, and it's really meant for older waxes and sealants. So let's see if we can get this Clean Slate to strip off the Armor All ceramic wash. Now, we did use a little bit more of the Clean Slate than what was recommended, which more shouldn't hurt. It is activated, and we are using a Chemical Guys mitt as well. Well guys, as you can see in the video, the Clean Slate's not breaking down the Armor All ceramic car wash at all. So let's go ahead and switch to the foam cannon. We'll see how it foams, how it sticks to the car. I guess this test for me failed, but Clean Slate's been around for a long time. It is a good product. All right guys, let's move on to the foam cannon. All right guys, so we got the Clean Slate in our foam cannon bottle. We put about 1 ounce, 2 ounces, about 2 good squirts in here. We're getting it swirled so it mixes in with the water. All right guys, let's go and get this hooked up to the pressure washer. We'll spray the exploder and we'll see how it foams and how it sticks to the car, and then we'll wash it off with the pressure washer to see if it removes anything on the side of the car. Well, hey guys, you can see on the Explorer how the ceramic wash from Armor All is causing it to kind of separate here on the paint. It has an okay foam for it not being an actual soap foam. So let's go and let it sit on the car for a minute or so if it will stick around that long, and then we'll pressure wash it off. All right guys, I'm back. Got the Exploder all rinsed off from the clean slate after using the foam cannon on it. It still has a really good beading effect still from the Armor All ceramic car wash. Hey guys, clean slate. Clean slate actually works really well. And unfortunately in this demonstration, it didn't take off the ceramic wash from Armor All, but that ceramic wash is new. And clean slate is really designed to take off the old sealants and old waxes. I've watched other creators on YouTube using this product and it worked great on their cars when they had old sealant waxes. So don't let this video discourage you. I'm not gonna talk smack about clean slate from Chemical Guys at all. It smells good, foam's good in the bucket. It does okay with the foam cannon. You actually get decent foam. Doesn't stick to the car, but then again with this ceramic wash, you can see where it was breaking down pretty fast. So without it, it would probably even do better.